FITI is an initiative of a number of countries to improve the enabling environment, to improve the governance in the fisheries sector, in particular in coastal countries for maritime fisheries. We have found in my previous activities when I ran Transparency International and when I ran the Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative, that it is very good to bring together a multi-stakeholder governance system where government people from the public government, but also the private sector and civil society organizations work together in order to develop together a credible report about the strengths and weaknesses of governance. So we found this at the Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative, which is of course something where Madagascar is participating, that we now make tremendous steps forward in order to bring more transparency, more openness, more integrity into the oil and gas and mining sector. And we wanted to replicate the same thing in the fisheries sector. Well, I mean, we have seen that many African governments really neglect the fisheries sector. I mean, there have been complaints that ministers of finance don't really know how much money can be made by handing out fishing licenses. We have seen that ministers of economy don't quite understand the tremendous potential which exists if you process fisheries, if you export fisheries products, the tremendous potential fish have for this nutrition for people, and all of this can be strengthened and also strengthened in a way that it attracts more foreign investment and foreign interest in joining the sector in a country. And therefore, we have seen that many governments in Africa, for instance, Nigeria, Sao Tome and Principe, Ghana, quite a number of countries have already applied to join us. And we have to find ways to help these countries to mobilize the support of their people, to mobilize the support of their private sector, including small-scale fisheries, but also modern fisheries, but also their international partners, the traders, the consumers, to bring them together and to develop together reports which will then be credible because they are based on the deliberation of these different actors and therefore are much more credible than a report which is simply issued by the government or simply issued by a big fishing company or simply issued by Amnesty International or by Greenpeace, because each of them tend to twist their reporting in a way that it is beneficial to their particular position, and therefore to bring them together and force them to agree on reports once a year is something which is very beneficial to give confidence and credibility to these reports. And of course, a government like the government of Madagascar must be very much interested in this because it is an important fisheries nation. And of course, we have just transferred the secretariat of FITI from Berlin, where we were handling it in the past, now to the Seychelles. So it will be very close to Madagascar, and therefore you will have a lot of impact on there. It will be good for FITI to have you, but I think FITI would also be very good for Madagascar.